In this essential Canva tutorial, we're going to learn how to create a QR code in Canva. If you need a free QR code for your business card, poster, or restaurant menu, and don't want to use a sketchy website, this is the guide you need. You're probably working on a design in Canva right now. You've made a beautiful flyer for your event, a professional business card, or a new menu for your cafe. Now, you want to add that little scannable square, a QR code, so you can link people directly to your website, your Instagram profile, or a PDF of your full menu. Your first thought is probably, okay, now I have to go to some random ad-filled QR code generator website, create the code, download it, and then upload it back into Canva. It's a clumsy, multi-step process. But what if I told you that you don't have to leave Canva at all? I'm your host, and in this guide, I'm going to show you how to use the built-in, free Canva QR code generator. It's a hidden feature that most people don't know about. We'll find the tool, generate a custom QR code for your website, and add it directly to your design in just a few seconds. This is a complete guide on how to add a QR code to your Canva design the right way. To get started, your needs are incredibly simple. First, you just need a Canva account. This feature is 100% free for all users. You do not need a Canva Pro subscription to use it. Second, you'll need the destination for your QR code. This is usually the URL or web link that you want people to visit when they scan the code. Have that link ready to copy and paste. We'll be doing this on a computer, as the interface is clearest, but this feature is also available in the mobile app. Alright, let's get this done. I have a blank Canva design open here, maybe for a business card. The tool we need is hidden in the main toolbar on the far left side of the screen. You'll see templates, elements, text, uploads, but you won't see QR code. We have to find it in the Apps section. Scroll down the left side toolbar. At the very bottom, you'll see the Apps tab. Go ahead and click on that. This opens a new menu where you can find all of Canva's powerful integrations. You might see QR code listed right away in the Popular section. If you don't, just use the search bar at the top of this menu and type in QR code. You'll see an app called QR code that is published by Canva. Click that. The tool will open right there in your sidebar. It's beautifully simple. It has one main box that says URL. This is where you will paste the link you want your code to point to. I'll paste in a link to a website. Below the URL box, you even have some options to customize your QR code. You can change the background color and the foreground, the code itself color, to match your brand. A quick tip: always keep a very high contrast between the two. A light yellow code on a white background will be very difficult for a phone's camera to scan. I'll keep mine classic black and white for reliability. Once you've pasted your link and chosen your colors, just click the big purple button that says Generate Code. And just like that, in 1 second, Canva has generated your custom QR code and added it directly to your design as an image element. I can now click on it, drag it anywhere I want, and use the corner handles to resize it, just like any other photo or element. It's now a permanent part of my design, ready to be printed. Now that you know how to make it, here is the most important tip I can possibly give you. Test, test, test. Before you send 5,000 of those business cards to the printer, you must test your code. Pull out your own phone, open your camera, and scan the QR code directly from your screen. Make sure it goes to the correct website. A tiny typo in the URL will make your printed code completely useless. Also, be careful not to make the QR code too small in your design. If it's printed the size of a postage stamp, a phone's camera won't be able to focus on it and scan it properly. Make sure it's large enough to be easily scanned. You should also know that the free Canva QR code generator creates static QR codes. This means the destination URL is permanently locked into the code. If your website link changes, you have to create a new QR code and redo your design. More advanced dynamic QR codes, which usually cost money on other services, allow you to change the destination link later. But for 99% of uses, the free static one is perfect. What do you do if you run into a problem? If you can't find the QR code app in the Apps tab, make sure you are in the main editor. The interface can look different on the mobile app, but the Apps section is there. This process is most reliable on a computer. The most common problem is that the QR code won't scan. This is almost always a color issue. You must have high contrast. A dark code on a light background is best. A light-colored code, like yellow, light blue, or light gray, on a white background will not work. The second reason a code might not scan is if you've placed other elements on top of it. Don't put your logo in the middle of the code unless you're an advanced user who understands error correction. Keep the QR code clean and unobstructed. So, we have reached the end of our guide. We've learned that you don't need any external websites to create a QR code in Canva. We learned how to find the hidden QR code app in the Apps tab, how to paste our URL, and how to add a QR code to our design instantly. You now have a fast, free, and professional way to bridge the gap between your physical designs and your digital world. I truly hope this Canva tutorial was helpful and saved you a lot of time. If it did, please give this video a like. It's a simple gesture that really helps the channel. And if you're interested in more Canva tips and tricks, from beginner to advanced, don't forget to subscribe and turn on the notification bell. Finally, I have a question for you. What are you going to use your first Canva QR code for? Is it for a business card, a Wi-Fi password sign for your home, or a poster for an event? Let me know your creative ideas in the comments. Thank you for watching.